Hello everyone, I'm Miku Hirano, a CEO of Cinnamon. So let me introduce myself first. I received a master's degree in artificial intelligence from the University of Tokyo. And when I was a student, I started my first company. And it was successfully acquired by Mixi, which is the largest internet company in Japan. And then I got two beautiful kids, and then I founded Cinnamon. So Cinnamon is a Japan-based AI startup, and now we are rapidly expanding to the United States. This is what we do. So from a document, for example, like an invoice, we can extract data, and then we can output those kind of data. For example, applications or claim forms or accident reports. And not only those three types of documents, we can read any types of documents. Most of our clients are bankings or insurance companies. And we provide AI solutions with 85 to 100% accuracy, of course, depending on the document though. So this is how we work now. Now, everyone is super busy every day. And personally, I really hate redundant work, and nobody enjoys it. So our mission is to remove all the unnecessary work from the world, so that people can focus on creative work or can spend a happier life. So this is my family. Now, my kids are 1.5 years old and also 6 months old. And actually, since I got my first son, my perspective of the world got changed. So since then, I started to think we should make the world a better place. And in 20 years, in 30 years, we have a mission to change the current working style. So many of top words leading data scientists agree with this mission, and they are joining Cinnamon. So now we have 40 to 50 top data scientists in our company, and we will have 100 by the end of this year, and we will grow to 500 data scientists by 2022. We just opened our Silicon Valley office in this summer, and we have already helped in insurance sector, and hope we will help you next. We are the only Japanese AI company that Sony invests in, and we already have more than 40 contracts, including Tokyo Marine and JCB, and 2 of top 3 insurance companies, and 1 of top 3 bank in Japan. This is our value proposition. So our AI cognitive reader is faster and cheaper and more data than human being, and for better decision making. This is a McKinsey report, and it says 43% will be automated in insurance and finance sector. This is a breakdown of that 43%. So 40% will be processing data. And our AI cognitive document reader is for data processing. So we receive a scanned document, for example, an invoice, and then we can extract data from that document. For example, company name or bank name or branch name, account number, or address or total amount to pay due, those kind of information. We can extract those kind of information automatically. And we can read any types of document, digital documents like PDF or Word or Excel, and also paper documents like printed documents or handwriting or even faxes. So we applied deep learning on OCR, and we achieved higher than 99% on research data, and 85% and between 85% and 100% on actual data, depending on document. So this is an actual use case, and we have already experienced to read applications like invoice and like accident reports and passport or some other types of documents. And as a result, this is one of an actual case, but within one of insurance companies in Japan, we reduced from 300 people to 200 people for the data entry staffs. And as a result, we reduced $5 million as a cost reduction per year. And from scanned document to put data into database, we can do that in less than 2 minutes. And in general, there are two types of documents. One is fixed format, like a social security card. And the other is free format, like an invoice. And our competitors can read only fixed format. They cannot read free format. Even though more than 90% of all of the documents all over the world are free format. However, Cinnamon can read both fixed format and free format. And we provide local server and also cloud server. So even though you use like local server, we can provide both of them. So that's it. And so if you're interested in like doing POC, please come to our booth or talk to me. And also we are aggressively hiring. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miku.